Simon Ekpa will not be rendition to Nigeria, Biafra government in exile. As e be like this now, some people where they live for inside Finland don't come outside. They can't tell us that Simon Ekpa will not be in prison or be held for more than 5 days. This is how the system of Finland is working, that people should stop carrying news that Simon Ekpa will be rendition to Nigeria. My people, I will play the video may you watch, and also play the videos of waiting the leaders for inside Biafra government in exile said concerning Simon Ekpa. Stay tuned and watch the video. Don't forget to see there for Balaba Gist. As you watch, make sure you share the video. Watch the video before we come back and continue.
My amazing people, out on day now, this is Prince Bakassi, live from Helsinki. It's really snowing here, so you can see me smoking cold. Anyway, yeah, I just had to make this video, as we get to, our brother Samuel Ekpa. Yeah, I heard he has been detained. Yeah, he has been detained. They don't detain the guy. Unlike most of the tabloid out there where they read and they say the guy has been in prison. Over here, they're not the prison person anyhow like that. Everything follows due process. In Finland, everything with they follow due process. Right now, the guy did pre-trial detention. And for pre-trial detention, you cannot be detained for more than 3 days. Then we also get the second phase, which is a court order detention. They will not even reach that stage safe. Because in that case now, they will bring a lawyer, they will sit, and that takes a very long time. But they'll carry you go to the third stage, which is, where you'll be, detained, like, taken into prison, that kind of stuff. But right now it's pre-trial. The guy hasn't been arrested. So those kind of matters, you don't have to just read anywhere. You have to hear from people within Finland. Now we know how the law is run here. Over here the law is supreme. Rule of law abides. What I mean by that is that maybe by now the guy they house already, because we only got the report after some few days. They said this week, the guy must have been released because it's more than 3 days, and it was pre-trial, meaning that they will just sit them down. Police will just talk to them, say tell us what happened. They will write them down. Then from this phase on, they will carry and go to the next one. Where the guy will bring his own lawyer and all those kind of things. They will try to see how they will talk the matter, all this kind of thing, and that's going to take a long time. Then as per this matter of extradition, extraditing the guy to Nigeria, I don't see the thing happening for Finland here. You see, Finland is a country where they fight for their rights. They have been oppressed, by other nations, and so anybody will come here and say, okay, see you, my people, I'm fighting for my right to, I've been oppressed, I've been deprived from, justice and all this kind of stuff. Finland protects. That is why the matter of Samuel Ekpa has been dragging for so long. Maybe today with Nigerian government, right, Finnish government, but they've been dragging the matter because we have to give us a reason why. And Nigeria being a country that it is right now where things not balanced, you know what I mean? Finland, they take them very serious. They're not just a release person sent to a place where, and being a citizen, Finnish citizen, to a place where they don't say the guy they will torture the guy, maltreat the guy, buy the guy, that kind of stuff. So, all the same is a wake-up call to Nigeria government, Tinubu government. You see, the reason why we're there, not because we really like to come there for this code or this, but not because of the state of the country. We need change. It's time for Nigeria to wake up. By now, we're supposed to compete with Dubai. We are blessed, the giants of Africa. I'm saying all this because I love my country, Nigeria. We have all the natural resources, we have everything that it takes. There is something where some fuel lights will just siphon all the money of the country, carry and go to the dump for foreign bank, just take up themselves and their family. But as the Nigerian people are suffering, Finland at the wrong place. Over here there is justice, fair play for everyone, equity. In a country where they deprive the less privileged, the most vulnerable, are being given protection, attention. We go school here for free. Healthcare, if you don't get money paid, just go any hospital that will treat you. This is why they talk now, serious thing. They work, government go see fine way, give you small house. They give you money, make you take care of yourself. Then they take money from the rich, carry them, invest into anybody who no get money. For the poor, the people where the drug addict, the alcoholics. That country where they so, where justice, the law is supreme. It doesn't matter your political affiliations, your position for government. Once you break the law, they go penalize you. So that the wrong place for Nigeria to carry come won't just they play anyhow. Wrong country. Over here, justice reign. It's wake up call for Nigeria to start fighting corruption, nepotism, ethnicity. We need to start fighting all those things, security for the country. Start providing Nigerians with basic amenities where they deserve. All the japarization with the jackpass, not because we like them. Provide job for the young people then. Make education free. Healthcare for our women and children. Make it be free. We have all the resources. We have everything it makes that it takes to make this country great. Supposed to compete with Singapore, Malaysia, all those countries. Dubai, where our people just go anyhow, go to flex. We have everything that it takes to make this country great. We have the people, we have the brains. Wasting in the diaspora. Some Ekpa might not be that extradited to Nigeria, because before they do that kind of thing, they go way first.
Let me also bring the videos of waiting the leaders waiting for inside Biafra government in exile said. Watch the video.
And now they are saying our PM is inciting. Let them know that Biafra is a nation. Our PM is defending Biafrans by the second. Our PM has noted that the way it is done before, where we Biafrans, we just sit, we watch, and these terrorists will come and kill us, kill our mothers, rape our women, kill our children, take away our boys and girls. That is what our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has vowed to stop. And he has vowed with his life. All of us Biafrans in the Brigade Cabinet, the Council Homeland, the Biafran Liberation Forces, the Biafran Army, we have vowed with our life. We are going to continue this same call, this same place that our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has. Nobody will stop that. I want to let Biafrans know that our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa has set all the structures in place for Biafra restoration from the beginning to the end. So taking him or removing him to go and ask him questions to delay or to disrupt our Finland convention for the next 1 or 2 weeks, it is not going to have any effect. Rather, it is going to make all Biafrans more determined in the restoration of the independent state of Biafra. We are a full-fledged country. We have met all the criteria for a full-fledged country. We conducted our referendum where over 50 million Biafrans have voted for the independent state of Biafra. We've conducted different topics, we did a Twitter poll where 98% of Biafrans want to exit Nigeria because Nigeria is a killing ground. No sensible person in the world, no sane leader, no individual that has his or her honest right will ever support the existence of a killing ground called Nigeria, where people are killed in their thousands every single day. No sane leader will support that. So anything that Nigerian government is doing, anything the local Finland authorities is doing, I want to assure them that inviting our Prime Minister or delaying him or making him not to be part of the Finland Convention, which he holds dear to his heart, that will not stop nothing. We are the people. The power belongs to us. The laws of self-determination allow us to rule ourselves, to determine who is going to be our leader. And Biafrans have done that clearly over the past 2 years after they kidnapped and renditioned our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya. He is right now in the DSS dungeon. They did that because they think that when they take our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, there will be nothing about Biafra anymore. That was their wish. That was their thoughts. And now they are partnering with the local authorities in Finland to invite our Prime Minister to disrupt our Finland Convention. And let me ask everyone listening to me, if the rendition of our leader Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria, if that didn't work, what made Nigerian government think that inviting someone Ekpa by the local police in Finland will work? They know it's not going to work. It's even going to get worse. It's going to get more brutal because we are determined for Biafra restoration. Nobody can stop that. We are all aware that all these are all the coups perpetuated by the Nigerian government to disrupt what we are doing. And I want to ask Biafrans, before I finalize my talk, let me ask you, when has self-determination, when has the right of our people to rule themselves?
Greetings, lovers of freedom. This should have been a live broadcast, but my device doesn't let me. I have to do a recording, and it is very, very important I do this. Raphael Chiamaka Jere, Pastor Van 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 is my name. By the grace of God, I'm Deputy Minister of Communications, Biafra Republic Government in Exile. And speaking from my office and in my capacity as the Deputy Minister of Communications, I want to communicate with my Biafrans, my comrades, everyone that is in this with us together. For a few days now, we have not heard from our Prime Minister, and we have brought you reports from him that he is fine. We have told us he's on a national assignment, on a very important assignment, something that will keep him away for a short time. And there are speculations here and there are insinuations here and there are innuendos here and there. This is not funny, but I want you to get serious with what I'm about to say. Now, our people said that Ada Sombabu Ejogo, which is to say, soldiers that are enlisted to fight, they are not scared to die while they engage in the battle. And so we as Biafrans, we are not scared to fight. Number one thing you must know that we are not scared of is that we are not scared of arrest. We are not scared of name calling. We are not scared of attacks, because those are things that would come normally. Arrest, it can come normally. Attacks, hey, it should just be our daily bread. Yes. And then some people say there are speculations going out there. Our Prime Minister have been arrested on terrorism charges. Hey, where do I keep this phone so that I'll be able to clap? I'm using my hand to hold the phone. I would have clapped onto that if my Prime Minister was actually arrested for terrorism charges. Why should I clap? What do you think our Prime Minister is looking for, or Mazen Nnamdi Kanu himself has been looking for, each time they dare everyone that is coming after them and say, we want to go to that Hague. Let us go to ICC and iron these things out. Let's go to the Hague together. Let's go there. Bring it on. Let's go. So if you are charging me or arresting me for terrorism case, it means that you are ready to hear me out. So if it is indeed true, as the speculations have it, from some of you that do not want to take our word for it, that our Prime Minister is arrested on terrorism charges, then that is what we are looking for, because it means that it is time for the world to hear our voice. Now, Mazi Simon Ekpa that you know, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that you know, do they look like people that are scared of being arrested on terrorism charges? No. Now, the way I am speaking now, I'm talking to you. Do you see me, Pastor Van Van Van, as somebody that is afraid of being arrested on terrorism charges? We are not afraid, because we know we are not terrorists.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please, I want you to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as you read.